Do you ever wash your feet? Your feet. Wait, I'll zoom in on your funky toe. No, Look, that's disgusting. Stubby toe. They stink, Bean.
They're fucking feet.
I have feet. My feet don't stink.
Bullshit.
Smell my foot.
Fuck you.
Smell my foot. Here. Smell my foot. Come on, come on. Cute toes. Look at that. Cute, cute. Go ahead, laugh. You know you want to. I see you smiling. You know what you look like from the side?
What? Mr. Ed?
No. Barney 5. Except your head's bigger. Wow. Bigger head.
Smell my feet.
No, I don't want to smell your feet. Get your stinky ass, busty, crusty. Oh, God. Get. I will win, biatch. Get your feet off me. God. You are the devil. You are evil. Get your stubby toes. I'm put it on YouTube.
I don't give two fuck. What you put it on?
Fuckerette. Stubby toes, motherfucker. Get them red feet. God, go to the doctor.
Third one over.
You trying to flip me off with your toes now? You need to work on that. That's all you got? That's it?
What's that third one over?
I hope you get a cramp in your big fat toe.